P, Q, R are real numbers such that P is greater than 2 less than 4, Q greater than 5 less than 10, and R greater than 12 less than 20. What is the smallest value that PQ plus R by P can take? So let's see how do we approach this problem. PQ plus R by P, which means PQ plus R by P means Q plus R by P. Okay. Now, the smallest value means Q has to be minimum and R by P has to be minimum. Let's see how do we find R by P minimum. R by P will be minimum. Now, R by P will be minimum when R is minimum and P is maximum. Only then this ratio will be minimum. Ratio of R by P will be minimum. Now, R minimum is R is greater than equal to greater than 12. So, let's write 12 and P max less than 4. So, let's write 4. So, this is equal to 3. So, R by P minimum has to be 3 point something. Okay, R by P minimum has to be 3 point something because R minimum is, R value of R is greater than 12. So, 12 point something and value of P max is 4. So, 3 point something something. So, 4 by 3 we have found out 3 point something something will be the R by P minimum. Okay. Now, we put this value over here. So, next step is Q minimum. Q minimum is 5. So, let's write step 2, 5 point something plus R by P. R by P we found out 3 point something equal to 8 point something, which is equivalent to 9. So, the answer is, what is the smallest value that PQ plus R by P can take is 9. It has to be greater than 8. So, 8 can't be the answer and it is less than 9. So, we have to take, there is nothing between 8 and 9. So, we have to take 9 as the answer. R by P minimum 3 point something. So, in the next step we will be using 3 point something. Same problem, they have asked what is the largest integer that PQ minus R by P can take. Again PQ minus R, the same way we write Q minus R by P. R by P we just saw, R by P minimum equal to 12 by 4, 3. Therefore, Q max minus R by P minimum, this max, this whole we have to find max. Therefore, Q minus R by P min equal to Q, what is the value? Q here, Q max 10, okay. So, we will write and this we should not write 10, we should write 9 point something, yes, 9 point something, which is equal to 6 point something. Okay. Now 6 point something means, here what do we get? 6 point something. What is the largest integer? So it has to be 6 point something is 6. We cannot take 7 here because the largest integer than that this can take. If you take 7, this will be, this value will change. Therefore, answer has to be 6. 6.99 will, the integer value is 6.